This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, a low tire pressure indicator, blind spot assist, an 8-speaker stereo system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, the Sport Package, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, a split folding rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Isringhausen Imports for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in downtown Springfield at 229 East Jefferson. We look forward to serving you.